Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity price. In this video I will show you, and my friends, at this time the holders are doing a very big mistake. So I will show you the holders big mistake in this video. Keep watch this video complete. Absolutely, if you do this mistake at this time, so possibilities you lose your money and waste, my friends. So before starting this video, I request everybody to make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, now the live price of the AXS coin in the market is 45.58 USD dollar. 45 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Axie Infinity in the market. And on the other side, my friends, if you look the changes occur in the Axie Infinity, so the changes is going positive 18.67%. The price pump just in the last 24 hours. So my friends, if these kind of positive changes continue in Axie Infinity, so possibilities, my friends, that very soon they will make you millionaire, my friends. Now my friends, what is the mistake of holders doing at this time? You can see, my friends, Axie Infinity every day the price of the Axie Infinity pumping, but you can see at this time the price falls down for some time, and now again the price pumping. You can see, my friends, that this time also falls down, pump. So my friends, that's the procedure of the cryptocurrencies market, that price sometime falls, sometime pump. So now at this time a lot of people decide to sell, and I think selling is the mistake of all holders at this time. Don't decide to sell very soon. They are going to hit a 50-60 USD dollar very soon. Just hold for a long time if you want profit, my friends, and don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Axie Infinity? Also share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.